Hey guys, Derek here with EZLYNK. Today we're talking about our ELD side of the company. This is for the electronic logging device. This is going to show you the multi-use and the benefits from having the AutoAgent 3 or even the AutoAgent 2, more or less using EZLYNK as your ELD provider. So today we're here in a 21 Duramax. It's a typical vehicle that you could use for hotshot trucking. A lot of people might already have the AutoAgent 2 or 3 in their truck, and it can be used for your electronic logging device. Now, with this, unlike typical or other electronic logging device companies, within our app and that same ELD app, you can actually do more than just monitor your logs. It has the diagnostic feature as well. So today we notice that we have a check engine light on this truck. We're going to show you what that looks like and how you can dive into it a little bit further, and then report that back to your fleet manager or technician and get that resolved. So we're going to show you what that looks like. To start, we're going to go into our settings and we're going to connect our tablet or your phone to the AutoAgent. So we'll go under the Wi-Fi, and that is the serial to the AutoAgent 3. You see we're connected here. Now we're going to go to the ELD app. You can see we're on duty, not driving. If you hit the top 3 lines, you'll see DTCs. So we're going to go and let that run. And you can see we have a P20EE. Now, I'm no mechanic. I don't know how much this could cost or what the resolution is B, but we can see that there is an issue. We can go ahead and clear it if we feel like it's okay, or we can report that back to our fleet manager, and then when we get back to the shop, he can have maybe the necessary parts or dive into it a little bit further. So the other thing is on the AutoAgent app. So we have the EZLYNK ELD app, and then we have the AutoAgent app. We're going to scroll over to that one, and from here we have all of our tiles. These are all the PIDs that we can monitor. You can see with the vehicle that we are connected to it. We're going to go back under the dashboard, and this lightning over here in the top right hand corner, we can hit that and we can do a data log. So if there's a problem with the truck, you can feel a shift is not right, a lack of power, you can record this and then send that off to the technician so he can view those maps and parameters to see what the cause is. So here's just another benefit to using EZLYNK as your electronic logging device. There's a lot of other competitors out there, we know that, but we are trying to be the best, and we are the best when it comes to the hotshot industry. We have the no contract, month to month, low monthly subscriptions. You can buy the hardware outright. Check us out for more information on our website at EZLYNK.com. And feel free to hit us up a message, give us a call, and we'll be sure to talk to you guys more about it. Thanks, guys. See ya.